Hello friends, uh, I'm going to tell you about how to mark attendance in a sheet which I am sending you, or you can create your own sheet also by copying by save as option. Suppose that I have open any of the sheet which I have created. So in Excel I am going to share with you, you can open there only. Like suppose that this is the sheet I am going to tell. This is the name option. You have to fill the name over here, then select the subject. From this option choose your subject, then class option you will choose from the class. Section option, if you are taking combined section then A plus B, if you are taking separate section then you can choose accordingly. Then choose your month, whatever month you want to feed, August, September, October. Day accordingly, same as date. Okay, and present of same as last sheet, present, absent and leave. Okay, then in last there is a option absent and present, that you will get how many absentees are there, how many present are there. When you will fill over here present and absent like this, then when you will go to the right side of attendance, and see here you will get the attend percentage of of a sheet. Okay, how much percentage you will get. Okay, this percentage you will calculate and give it to anyone. Okay, now I'm going to tell how to open it when I will share with you. Suppose that I'm sharing any sheet, pre-nursery, manage access. You also can share with anyone, like same process. Shamita, grant access. Okay, I have given the access. Now when you will go to the you will sign out this. If I will sign out my ID, you will go to the office.com, and then it will open. Click on sign in option. This type of screen will come, like whatever the Shamita I have chosen, this was right now I have shared this only. So I'm saying 5432 rate, sign in. Now see, I have, this is the sheet I have shared with you recently, pre-nursery. And when you will click over here, now this is the sheet you will share, and do the mark the attendance and then close it again. Okay, you can go to the Outlook option also. You can get the notification like this, and the open option you will get from here. So open from here only, you can mark attendance like this also. Okay, and please don't remove the formula and anything else. Thank you very much.